Hello everyone. In the previous videos, we explained the traditional curriculum, the modern curriculum, and the learning experience. In this video, we will study how to prepare a curriculum. If you joined a group of curriculum designers to prepare a science curriculum for the students in the 6th grade, to prepare this curriculum, you should follow the next steps. First step is determine the philosophy of the curriculum. The philosophical foundation of a curriculum helps determine the driving purpose of education. Philosophy of the curriculum defines the role of teacher, ranging from all-knowing authoritarian to that a mentor, and the role of student, ranging from obedient vacant vessel to an individual worthy of activity engaging in one's own educational process. At this stage, a learning theory or educational approach is adopted, such as the environmental approach, the molecular approach, the integrative approach. The psychological and social characteristics of the students for whom the curriculum is designed are also studied. The second step is curriculum design, the process of meaningfully constructing and interconnecting the component of the curriculum to address such fundamental questions as what needs to be learned and how and why, the resources required and how learning will be assessed. At this stage, the general and specific objectives of the curriculum and the basic elements of the scientific element are determined. The educational activities, the teaching method used, and the most important learning resources are determined. In addition to determining the appropriate evaluation method, these elements are organized into an organized map known as curriculum map. The curriculum map is a tool designed to organize the relation between the component of the curriculum system and its element. Curriculum map is a reflective process that helps teachers to understand what has been taught in a class, how it has been taught, and how learning outcomes were assessed. The curriculum mapping process results in a document known as a curriculum map. Most curriculum maps are graphical illustrations and consisted of a table or a matrix. Third step is curriculum construction. Curriculum building is the next stage of the curriculum design process. That is, the previous map is converted into actual prepared curriculum. And that is by compiling the scientific material that covered the element of the scientific content that were identified in the curriculum map, preparing the textbook, then the teacher's guide that guides the teacher to the most important procedures and steps that can followed in teaching the curriculum according to the teaching methods that were also identified in the curriculum map. Also, the student's book prepared that include a set of activities and exercises that increase his effectiveness in the educational process and help him evaluate his learning. This means that there is no building without design. The fourth step is curriculum experimentation. The curriculum is not considered in its final form after the design and construction processes unless it has been experimented. Although the designer and constructor of the curriculum follow the scientific method in each of the two operations, but it is difficult to be familiar with all the conditions and problems of the field. Hence, there may be difficulties in applying the curriculum because there are obstacles or inadequacy of some parts of the curriculum for students. And all this may not appear during the design and construction processes. Experimentation is carried out in stages, starting with a few schools in different regions or environments in which the curriculum is tested, and in the light of the result of the experiment, the curriculum is modified. Then the scope of the experimentation is expanded to take place in a larger number of schools, and the curriculum is modified in the light of the result of the experiment. The fifth step is curriculum evaluation. Curriculum evaluation provides information necessary for curriculum specialists to make decisions about developing the curriculum. The process of evaluating curriculum can be defined as collecting evidence that helps determine the effectiveness of the curriculum. That is, the extent to which this curriculum achieves the objectives. Since the curriculum is based on several basics, the philosophical basics, the social basics, the cultural basics, in addition to content, teaching methods, teaching aids, activities, and evaluation method, it is logical when evaluating the curriculum to define what should be in each of these elements. The last step is curriculum development. To produce a quality curriculum, the developing process should be planned and systematic. It should value the input of stakeholders and cater for sustainability and long-term impact. The curriculum development is seen as a comprehensive cycle of development, implementation, evaluation, and revision to ensure that the curriculum is up to date and relevant. Curriculum development is a multi-step process for creating and improving curriculum applied at school or university. While the exact process will vary from institution to institution, the broad framework includes stages of analyzing, building, implementation, and evaluation. In this video, we have studied the steps of the curriculum preparation, which are: number one, determine the philosophy of the curriculum; two, curriculum design; three, curriculum construction; four, curriculum experimentation; five, curriculum evaluation; and the last step is curriculum development.